All right, guys, we are at Bach Nature Preserve in Hocking County, owned by the Ohio Department of Natural Resources. And I'm here today because I'm going to show you step by step how to conduct a point sampling survey, which is one of the requirements you have in your ornithology class. And you're going to set this survey up near your home somewhere. So I want to make sure that you know how to do it. Let me explain what a point sampling survey is. A point sampling survey is used by professional wildlife biologists and wildlife technicians to monitor bird populations. It's an audio-visual survey, so you're recording birds that you see and hear, identifying only the birds you can see or hear in a positive way. You don't record any unknown birds. And you then use that data in order to look at regional populations, even local populations of birds. So today I'm going to give you that step-by-step procedure. First, you need to establish a route. Here I got one established at the Bach Preserve. This is sampling point 1, right here. When you go out to a route or a path that you're going to do, typically in a nature preserve or a park or someplace near your home that's large enough to be able to do a survey like this and has birds and not too noisy. You don't want to do surveys near roads or high traffic areas because you won't be able to hear the birds very well. So you got to find a place that's reasonable in terms of noise. You want to establish 3 sampling points along your path or trail. These sampling points are going to be 300 meters apart, which is around roughly 950, 960 feet. After you set up your sampling point, and this is going to be done on week 6 before you do your actual survey on week 7, so that you are familiar with the area. When you're ready to actually conduct the survey in week 7, you will go out to sampling point 1 and follow this procedure. When you arrive, you're going to record on your data sheet. Here's an example of the data sheet right here, which is on Moodle. So just get on Moodle. You can print this off or you can record it into a notebook, but this is the information that you need. Okay, when you arrive at your sampling point, you're going to have a sort of a calming or settling down time where you get focused on the area around you so you can hear the birds, see the birds, and so forth. And then you're going to record the initial data, which is your name, date, location of the survey, the weather conditions, and then the general habitat and landscape types. For example, behind me is a mature forest. And so I would put down mature eastern deciduous forest. I might even record some of the dominant trees, whatever the case may be. But it's important to get your habitat types down. Now, you may be in an area where it's not just dominated by forests, there may be also grassland or wetland or brushland areas, and if it's a mix, then record that. It's a mixture of different types of habitat, because that'll be reflected in the bird species that you see in here. Okay, once you get all that done, all right, then you're going to get ready to actually do the survey. You look down at your watch or your phone, okay, record the time. And you're going to listen and watch for a 5-minute period. And you record all the birds that you hear and see within that 5-minute period. Now, for example, right now, I hear northern cardinal, eastern towhee, blue jay, Carolina wren. So you record all those birds that you hear and see within that period down in your data sheet. And then also the numbers. So I hear 2 towhees. Oop, there's a song sparrow. I hear 1 cardinal, 1 blue jay, 1 tufted titmouse. So I record all that information down on the data sheet. Okay? After you're done with the 5-minute period, you're going to walk to your next sampling point, which is sampling point 2. When you arrive there, you're going to repeat this procedure over again. And then you go to sampling point 3, repeat the sampling point information and procedure again. When you're done, you're going to record all your data onto your computer on the data form, and you're going to submit that form to your lab instructor. The dates and times that these are due are on Moodle, so make sure you check your Moodle site so you understand when to submit all the information. If you have any questions at all regarding the procedure, areas that you can set up near your home, anything like that, please email me and contact me. This will be on YouTube, so check out the YouTube video, plus all the information that I just shared with you is on Moodle on a Word document. So if you have any questions, let me know.